Hello. So good afternoon, everyone. In last lecture, we have seen the triple cross product, right? So in triple cross product, actually, there are two products again. That is the triple scalar product and triple vector product. Okay, we have seen the formulae of both, and also we have seen how to find that triple scalar triple product. Means it is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. So first from bracket you have to find their b bar cross c bar, and then you can take the dot product, means simply the multiplication of only coefficients. Then we have seen the formula for a vector triple product. So they are not asking any example on vector triple product, but they may ask you the formula as a MCQ type of question, and also the formula of a scalar triple product can also be asked in examination. Okay, and they may ask examples also on scalar triple product. Okay, so here one example I have given you as a homework. So all of you solve this or not? Very simple example. I told you the procedure to find this. All of you solve this example, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So is it necessary to solve again for others? Yes or no? Okay, because today there is a tutorial, so we'll take only numericals. For electromagnetic, there are tutorial. There is a tutorial in a week. Okay. So one student is saying no. Anmol Raut, Prajakta. Do you solve? Vrushali? Vrushali? Yes. Do you solve this example? Yes or no? Is it necessary to solve again?
मॅम ते लास्ट तेवढं घ्या ना ए बार डॉट बी बार क्रॉस सी बारचं तेवढं
Okay, okay.
त्याचं -15 काय आलं मॅडम
Ha, yes, it is in minus. Right. Answer is in minus. No issue. Because it is a scalar quantity, right? So your answer can be any scalar quantity that may be in plus or maybe in minus. Okay, what about previously?
Hello.
Yes.
मॅम ते अगोदर ए बार डॉट बी डॉट घ्यायचं का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट घ्यायचं अगोदर?
Cross product. First you solve cross product. Okay. And then take dot product.
Okay.
And for all examples, because it will be easy for you, right? Because if you take the a bar and a bar dot b bar, okay, and then cross product. So always it is a scalar quantity, and then you have to take again the cross product. So it will be easy. That is to find b bar cross c bar, right? So always find b bar cross c bar first, and then take dot product, because in scalar triple product we are, that's why I'm writing this in a bracket actually. But if it is not given, then also you can solve by using the same. Okay. So we'll see that. First three, any doubt, any problem? Can you tell me your answers?
Yes.
Yes, for first one.
1 a bar x plus 2 a bar y minus 2 a bar z.
minus 2 a bar z. Correct. Just wait for a minute. And second one, second
A.
a bar cross b bar.
10
minus
10 a bar x minus 10 a bar y minus 5 a bar z.
No, 10 is not there.
minus 2 a bar x plus 2 a bar y plus 1 a bar z.
Ha, correct. Just who told me the first answer? Sorry, the second one. How you solve this example? Minus 2 a bar x plus 2 a bar y plus 1 a bar z. Snehal?
Yes, ma'am.
Snehal? Yes, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you raised hand. Okay, so is it necessary to solve second? And always check when you are taking any two vectors, that time how you are taking the coefficients. Take it sequentially. So it is a bar cross b bar. Then take coefficients of a bar first and then b bar first. So I'll solve this second one also, and the last one also. So first a bar cross b bar. Find this a bar cross b bar. Cross b bar is equal to, in determinant, unit vectors first, that is a bar x, a bar y, a bar z, and a bar z, and coefficients of a bar are plus 2, minus 2, and minus 1. Okay. Then coefficients of b bar are plus 1, and plus 1. Okay. So simply solve this. So it is a bar x into bracket. It is minus 2 minus plus 1, right? Plus a bar, minus a bar y into bracket plus 2 and plus 1. Okay, minus again plus 1. And third, a bar z into bracket 2 minus 2. That is plus 2. Okay, so simply solve this, and in this way you can take again the cross product with vector c bar. Okay, so first take again the coefficients of this a bar cross b bar, and then take the cross product with c bar. Okay, so what is that answer? Minus 2 a bar x plus 2 a bar y plus a bar z. Okay, and what about the third? Third, b bar cross c bar cross.
Minus 3 a bar x minus 0 a bar y plus 3 a bar z.
Plus 3 a bar z. Okay, what about others? Same answer, yeah, different?
Same.
Okay. No problem. Then in fourth, any problem? Is it necessary to solve fourth
No.
one? No. Okay. Suhas, fourth one, do you solve? Vishal?
No, madam. Third सोडवले.
Third पर्यंत solve केले. Okay. Fourth one, समजले ना आता? How to solve? First take cross product
Yes,
and
madam.
then dot product. Easy examples, and in tutorials we will take only examples and you have to solve this, because tutorial means it is a practice session, because for all mathematical subjects there is a tutorial, right? So we'll take the examples only. Okay. for the last one, answer is minus 15. Okay, minus 15. Okay. Now we'll see the next example. Okay, write down this example. What is the angle theta between two vectors v is equal to 2, 5, 3 and w is equal to 1, minus 2, 4. So how to find this? So first note the example and then we'll see how to find this. My students are absent today. Is there any other lecture? Okay, how to solve this example? How to find theta? Yes, how to find theta?
Dot product
Anyone?
formula. Dot
Huh?
product. Dot product is the formula A bar dot B bar is equal to mod
Hi.
of A.
Yes. Yes, correct. We can use the dot product. Okay. So here we have to find theta. For a solution here, we can use formula of dot product, that is A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar is equal to mod of A bar mod of B bar into cos theta. Now tell me, there are two vectors. Which are those? V and W. So we have to write this write equation for dot product for these two vectors, that is V bar dot W bar. So this V bar dot W bar is equal to V bar dot W bar is equal to mod of V bar then mod of W bar into cos theta Now how to find this theta? How to find theta? To find theta, what we should find first? Yes, what we have to find first to find theta? V bar dot W bar, right? And we should know here mod of V bar and mod of W bar, right? Then how to find this? How to find this? How to find this? Yes, fastly answer. If you don't know, tell me.
in root 2 square plus 5 square plus 3 square.
Yes, correct. To find mod of V bar. Why actually here only the coordinates are given, right? So first we'll write the vectors. Okay. We can find this mod of V bar, mod of W bar by taking the square root. Again, we have to take the dot product. So how to find the dot product? By taking coefficients of any two vectors, right? So first we have to write these two vectors, that is V bar and W bar, right? So this V bar is equal to, these are the X, Y and Z coordinates of vector V and vector W, right? So this V bar can be written as 2A bar X, right? Plus the y coordinate is 5a bar y and the z coordinate is plus 3a bar z, right? So this is your vector v bar. Then what is vector w bar? This w bar is equal to plus 1a bar x. Then what is w bar? Plus, sorry, it is minus is minus 2 a bar y and the third coordinate is plus 4 a bar z, plus 4 a bar z, right? Now we can first find here v bar dot w bar. So take simply the dot product, that is plus 2 a bar x. We can write here plus 2a bar x plus, simply write these two vectors and tell me the dot product here. All of you, write these two vectors in dot product form and lastly tell me the answer. We'll take here the dot product means the product of two coefficients there. So what is this? 2 into 1, right? But before that, write the and then W bar. Okay. Then it is 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 2 and the last Z coordinate is plus 3. Sorry. So here it is plus 3 into plus 4. Okay. So what is this total? It's 2 minus 10 minus 8 and plus 12. So it is plus 4. Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And all of you go by step. If it is V bar dot W bar, then first write these two vectors, because for steps also there are marks. Okay. So don't consider your exam will be online only. Means MCQ type of exam only. Okay. So if it is offline, your steps are important. For steps also there are marks. Right? So don't skip any mark. Any step. And don't jump to the answer. Okay. Similarly, you can find here mod of V bar. Mod of V bar, which is equal to square root of, so mod of V bar is square root of 2 square, then plus 5 square, and the third is plus 3 square. So solve this. So mod of V bar is equal to, mod of V bar is nothing but V is equal to And for tutorials are for your practice. Okay, so you have to solve these examples, all examples. And today I'm going to check your notebooks. So within some time after solving this example, you have to start your video. Okay, I want to check whether you are having a separate notebook for EME or not. Are you taking note of everything or not? So what is mod of V bar? Mod of V bar value
6.164.
6.162.
4.
Okay. Then what is mod of W bar? In same way, you find this mod of W bar
4.58.
4.58. Okay. 4.58. Okay, then you can now find the cos theta and then find theta here. Okay. So finally tell me the answer of theta only.
mod of W 4.58 है
हाँ, yes.
थ्री
Mod of W bar 4. 3.64.
3.605
It is not visible. 3.645.
yes
Rain. Okay. What about others? Is it 3.645 or 4.58?
4.58.
Check once again. Check once again.
4.58.
And Renuka. Okay, okay. And Renuka, I think you are having some range problem because screen is visible, right? Screen is visible to all
Yes.
or not? Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is theta? Theta? 81.89.
81.85. 81.85.
85. Okay. And always consider 3 digits. Then you will get the accurate answer. Okay. 81.85. Or some are getting 81.89. Okay. No issue. All of you understood this example? समजलंय सगळ्यांना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, just start your videos and show me, all of you, show me your notebooks one by one. One by one, roll number 1. Those who are present, show me your notebooks. And be fast. All others from roll number 2, Prajakta, Aishwarya, start your videos also. Simultaneously, I can check. unable to check, means see your videos. It is not visible, means all of your notebooks are not visible for me. Aishwarya, Prajakta, Preeti, fastly do this because I am in range, full range. Next, Aarti, Mohini, Swapnali.
Yes, madam.
Yes, show your notebook. Okay. Turn the pages. Okay. Means there is a separate notebook. Okay. All examples are written. Okay. Okay. You can close your video. Then next, what about previous ones? Preeti, Prajakta, Aishwarya. Fast, fast. Or you don't have notebook? Pratiksha. Suhas. Show me your notebook. Snehal. Snehal Yadravkar. No, not visible. I think range problem. Okay, others. Harshvardhan. Prashant. Yes, Harshvardhan. Show notebook. Okay. Turn pages. Turn on your pages. Okay. Okay, okay. Separate notebook, na? Okay. Okay, you can close your video. So very few students are showing the notebook. So if you are having, then you should show it confidently, right? And I'll ask you in any lecture for that. Okay, this is not for me, this is for you only. Okay, no problem. So Harshvardhan. Okay. Student strength is immediately decreased as I asked for the notebook. Okay. So here now we'll see the next example. Write down this example. Write down example. A vector field. Write down. A vector field. Or is it necessary to write on screen? Okay, I'll write here a vector field W bar okay, I'll write only the equation. A vector field W bar is given in Cartesian coordinate system is given in Cartesian coordinate system as W bar is equal to 4x square y into unit vector a bar x into unit vector a bar x. Okay. Then minus into bracket 7x plus 2z into unit vector a bar y and plus into bracket 4xy plus 2z square into unit vector a bar z. Okay. So here what is given? A vector field W bar is given in Cartesian coordinate system as this W bar. This vector is given. Then first write down question first. Calculate the magnitude of W bar. Calculate the magnitude of W bar at point P of means P in the bracket 2 minus 3 4 bracket complete. Then
Ma'am,
second
2.
question minus 3
Hello.
4. Hello. हाँ
हाँ मैम
audible?
पे ऑफ कितने पे ऑफ
रिपीट करा मैम.
P of हाँ okay. First question, calculate the magnitude of W bar at point P of 2 minus 3 and 4. P of 2 minus 3 and 4. Okay. Then second question, obtain a unit vector. Obtain a unit vector that shows the direction of the vector field at point P. Okay. Then second completed.
Yeah.
Okay. Then third, at what points on z-axis the magnitude of vector field W bar is unity. Is unity. Okay. So third you cannot solve. I'll tell you how to solve the third one, but just find at least the first and second one. This is easy. Vector is given and you have to find their W bar at point P. How to find this? How to find this? At least tell me the procedure. Yes, anyone? Sorry. हॅलो, कोणी केलंय का सॉल्व? आरती, रोल नंबर 7 आरती. रोल नंबर 24 ऐश्वर्या. Yes, solve or solve or solving still. Okay, how to solve? And if you don't know, I'll tell you. Are you solving or not? Reply me. Otherwise, tell me answer. Okay, okay. Solve. Here what is asked? First, the calculate the magnitude of W bar at point P, right? And the coordinates of vector P are given, that is 2, -3 and 4. Okay. So these are the X, Y and Z coordinates. Okay. And we have to find this W bar. So just tell me how to find this. How to find this?
Under root of 2 square plus
Under root of, no, that's why I'm asking, what are you doing? What is the procedure? So don't go in a wrong way. I'll tell you here. Here vector W bar is given, right? And here 4x square y. What we have to find here? The magnitude of W bar. Means we have to take the mod. We have to take the mod. But here W bar is given in X and Y term. X, Y and Z term it is given, right? So it is not a pure magnitude. It is not like a 3a bar X, 4a bar Y like this, right? So it is given in X, Y and Z term. That's why they have given you the point P. So they are asking calculate the magnitude of W bar at point P of 2, -3 and 4. Okay. So one vector is given. Okay. One vector is given and it is located at point P having X, Y and Z coordinates as 2, -3 and 4. So just put these points means X, Y, Z coordinates in this equation of W bar. So this W bar is equal to 4 X square. X square is 2 square. Okay. Into Y. So Y is -3. Okay. Into unit vector A bar X. Okay. Then minus into bracket 7x. So 7 into 2. 7 into 2. Then plus 2z. And here z is plus 4. Okay. Into unit vector A bar Y. Right? Then plus. What will be the third term? Third term for this? For this term, tell me the equation. 4 into, what is
4
it?
into 2 into -3.
2 into y is -3. Right? Plus 2z square and z is equal to 4. So it is 4 square. Okay. Into unit vector A bar Z. A bar Z. So just solve this, then you will get the W bar in terms of values and unit vectors only. Okay, so what is W bar? W bar is equal to, and if you solve the example, reply me.
मॅडम मॅग्निट्यूड 53.404 येते का?
Ha, yes. 53.4041. Correct. So what is vector W bar?
48 minus 48x plus 22 a bar y plus
Y
8 a z.
8 A bar Z. Correct. Correct. Then similarly, you can find the second one also, W bar unit vector that shows direction of vector field at point P. Okay, means you have to find the unit vector. Unit vector A bar is equal to that vector divided by its magnitude, means W bar divided by mod of W bar. Okay, so this W bar is equal to minus 48 A bar X, then minus 22 A bar Y, 2
Plus
A
I
bar
plus
Y.
plus 22.
No, how it is plus?
No, minus, ma'am.
Yes, and plus 8 A bar Z. And this mod of W bar is square root of this minus 48 square plus minus 22 square plus 8 square. Okay, so it is 53.404. 0.404. Okay, then you can find the unit vector as W bar divided by mod of W bar. A bar at point P, that is A bar P, is equal to solve that vector also. Okay, and all of you, the teaching material of this electromagnetic engineering is on the drive. The drive link is already shared with you by the class coordinator. Again, there are different subjects, and then in that you can refer your first, that is electromagnetic engineering. So in that I shared the MCQ booklet and assignment booklet, that is tutorial booklet for electromagnetic engineering. And as we are taking this lecture on SLET, so there are no PPTs. And after completion of our first chapter, I'll share the notes. Okay, also because they are. And if I'll also share the tutorial after sharing the notes, because there are minimum 6 tutorials for this electromagnetic engineering. So on one chapter, there is a one tutorial. So after completion of your first chapter, everyone should submit that tutorial online now only. So I'll after completion of this chapter, I'll inform you that I uploaded that questions on the drive. So everyone should solve within the given date and should submit on that Google form there. Okay. Then there will be minimum 6 unit tests on 6 units, and there will be in between there will be surprise tests also. Okay, so always be ready. And don't try to find answers on Google, because when your exam will be offline, Google will not come to help you. Okay, so everyone study from your notebook, whatever books you have. So there are a number of books. I told you reference books also, and you can refer other books also, textbooks, because electromagnetic engineering is not that much easy that you can refer a foreign book and you can crack our university exam. Okay, so that much study is required. Your basics should be clear first, and then you can go for the such books. Okay, because in these books, no, the steps are not given. Okay, proper steps are not given in some books. Okay, so you can refer whatever books I told you. Then there are also notes. So I think you will not require And one more thing, I already told you that everyone write the formulae. Okay, today whatever formula you covered, not today because today we have seen only examples. If I am taking any point and if I am covering any formula, one or two or more, you should immediately note this formula after lecture in your other pages or to the backside of your notebook. Okay, you can note all the formulae, but it should be in very clean and proper way. Okay, all formulae so that you can remember. Okay, so that is important for EME. Formulae is a hurt. It's like a hurt. Okay, so if it is not there, if you don't know the formulae, you can't solve a single example here. Okay. Not for only examples, if any derivation is also asked, you should know all formulae. Okay, and when you are going in next point, okay, you have to refer the all previous formulae. Okay, so don't think that I don't know this one, I can skip this. Okay, it's not like other theoretical subjects. Okay. So, what is your unit vector? What is your unit vector? A bar P, W bar divided by mod of W bar. Yes.
0.8988 a bar x minus 0.4119 a bar y minus e plus 0.1489 a bar z.
1489. Okay. But first check the sign because for first one sign should be minus. Okay, you told me plus. Because
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
minus
Negative sign.
48. Ah, yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Then for third one, what is given? At what points on z-axis the magnitude of vector field W bar is unity? Okay, this I'll solve. Okay. So here, so what they are asking, at what points on z-axis the magnitude of vector field W bar is unity. Unity means what? Actually, it is on z-axis. We are having three axes, right? X, Y, and Z. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is your z-axis. Okay. Now, W bar on z-axis. Okay, obtain unit vector that shows. Sorry. At what points the on z-axis the magnitude of vector field W bar is unity. Okay, it's unity means we have to consider only the z-axis. If we consider the z-axis, your x and y coordinates, if your W bar is placed at z-axis at unity, then your x and y coordinates should be 0. Okay, your x coordinate is 0, your y coordinate is 0. So first, if x and y is equal to 0, you should first write the equation for W bar by putting this x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So if we put this x and y 0, then we get W bar as if x0, y0, so it is plus 0 a bar x, right? Then minus if this x is equal to 0 and it is plus 2z. Okay, so this equation will be minus 2z into unit vector a bar y, correct? Then again this x and y is equal to 0 and z term is there, therefore it is plus 2z square into unit vector a bar z. Okay, so this is your w bar when it is located on z axis. When it is located on z axis and this x and y terms are 0 only. Okay, then we have to find the magnitude here. Okay, at what points on the z axis the magnitude of vector field w bar is unity, means we have to first find the mod of w bar on the z axis. Mod of w bar on z axis, right? So just find this mod of w bar. Mod of w bar, that is square root of minus 2 square plus 2 square, 2z square plus 4z square. Okay, so it is equal to under root of minus 2z square and again its square. So it is equal to square root of its square, means it will be plus 4z square and again it is plus 4 and z square means it is z raised to 4. Okay, so this is your mod of w bar on the z axis. Okay, now at what points on the z axis the magnitude of vector field is unity, means we have to find the points now. Okay, so its magnitude is unity. Okay, its magnitude is unity at what point? So now just remove its square root. So you will get here
4z square plus 4z raised to 4.
so here you can take the 4 common and its square root will be 2. Okay, its square root will be 2 and again you can multiply you can take the square of this. Okay, so I'll write here only. So it is 4 into bracket z square plus z raised to 4. Okay, or I'll directly take the square, not necessary to explain this also. Okay, so we can write here simply your 4z square and plus 4 z raised to 4 and if we take its square also, then it is equal to 1. Okay. So then if you take this to the left side, okay, if you take this quantity 1 to the left side, then it will be -1, and this will be equal to 0. Okay, it will be equal to 0. Means we have to write this in terms of a quadratic equation. Okay, so we can write this as a 4z raised to 4 plus 4z square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, that is 4z raised to 4, then plus 4z square and minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we have to find this z. Okay, z, or here it is, this equation is not in terms of z square and z. Okay, so it is in terms of z raised to 4 and z square. Means whatever quantity you will get when you will find, that will be z square here. Okay, z square. I'll write here z square. Therefore, you will how to find this? How to find any coordinate? When any quadratic equation is given, 2x square plus 3ay plus 3y plus 4, etc. One equation is given, and if you want to find any coordinate, then how are you finding that? It is equal to minus b. Okay, if we are considering such equations, then it is equal to minus b plus minus square root of, what is that equation? That equation, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Correct. So you can find this now. Just put the values here. Just put here the values. Minus b means your minus 4. Then plus minus square root of b square means plus 16 minus 4. A is 4 and c is minus 1. Okay. And divided by 2a. 2a means plus 4. So find that. So you will get the z coordinate, means z square you will get. From that you can find the z. Okay. So means it is saying that what is asked, at what points on z axis the magnitude of vector field is unity. Unity means you will get the z coordinate there. Okay. First find z square and then z, means that will be in the plus and minus. Okay, means on the positive z axis and on the negative z axis. At these points the magnitude of w bar will be 1 there. Okay, so in this way you can find the answer. समजलंय का हे? Yes or no? समजलंय का?
Hello, madam.
हा, yes.
0.4549 ला एक येते आणि 1.0986 ला एक येते ना पॉइंट.
नाही सेम येणार आन्सर, because this z square you are getting one value only, right? So if you
नाही
take the
येत
square
तसे.
root,
झेड स्क्वेअर ची
How?
व्हॅल्यू येते, एक झेड स्क्वेअर
हा?
येतोय 0.207 एक येतोय आणि दुसरा येतोय 1 - 207.
0.207 is your answer. Z square is equal to, check it. Z square is equal to
किती?
0.207. Z square
Yes.
is equal to 0.207. and Z is equal to plus minus 0.455.
Yes, येतंय answer.
Okay. So all others can also find in the same way. Okay. So is there any problem? All of you understand whatever I teach? समजते का सगळ्यांना शिकवलेलं? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Problem? Any improvements you want? काय हवी आहे का improvement? If you want, tell me so that I can improve and you will understand. Right? This is for your advantage only. Okay. Prashant, any improvement? Want? Pratiksha Khade, Kajal, Swapnali.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, काय improvement हवे का teaching मध्ये?
नाही.
Sure.
Yes.
And if you have any problem, let me know. Okay. So if you are satisfied, then okay. So for today, we'll stop here and thank you all and have a nice day. Thank you.